Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm gonna show you guys what I use to prepare my hair when I'm using aloe vera gel, because basically where I'm staying I don't have fresh aloe vera gel, so I just buy with anyway, this is it, and it's pure aloe vera gel, and I don't have to look for a plant, and it's just ready. You just buy it like this and it's ready, and you can use it directly on your hair. So I use this to prepare my hair. I also use it to lay down my edges. Anyways, I'm gonna show you guys how I do how I prepare my hair with it. So I've wet my hair. I use my water boil. It's just water in it, and I've already parted my hair into 6 sections. You can part your hair the way you want. If you want 4 sections, if you don't have time, you can do 2 sections, whatever. It's your hair. And I have 6 parts, 3 on this side and 3 on this side. And I'm gonna show you guys. This is so good. It's already finished, and I don't have to go to the store to look for aloe vera leaf, which I won't even get, because yeah, what should I say, I'm in Germany and it's hard to get it. So this is how it looks like. And it's pure aloe vera gel. Yeah, so like I said, my hair is already wet. You don't want to do this on dry hair, because I mean, you can do it, right? But it's about the moisture and stuff. But where do you get moisture? From water. So I was having some problems with my hair. Like, I would just go like this with my hair and will have hair on my fingers, until I realized I have to trim my hair. Again, I'm actually not a fan of trimming my hair, because I mean, what do you mean? Like, I'm not a fan. I don't know. I just don't like cutting my hair, but sometimes you have to. Yeah. So, and don't be stingy on it, because you want to get all that moisture in it, all that juicy stuff in it. Yeah, you guys, I don't know if you also have that same problem like me, because my hair, at some parts it's long, and some parts, like, or this part, it shrinks more, and this part takes time to shrink. Different texture. I'm actually a full C girl, but sometimes I feel like I have full C and full B mixed together. So, and then after applying the aloe vera gel, I just twist it down. So that's the first part, and I'm gonna do the second part on this side. And if your hair dries quickly, you just can add some water into it. It's been a while, guys. It's been a while. There was a lot to be done on my side. I didn't have time basically to do videos, unfortunately, because I actually like doing it. You know, it's like, it's my hair, but sometimes my hair is in a protective style when I have braids. And yeah, like, I don't know what I should do next. Like, what kind of video should I do? Because with my hair is in a protective style, like, I have nothing to show you guys. But if you have an idea what I can do next, what I can show you guys, if you want to know something about me, I can do a get to know you video about my life, about me, how I came to Germany, what I'm doing now, like working at the hospital. I'm a nurse, yeah, and how I went through it, or about it, the application and learning the language. Yeah. I like the way my hair becomes so juicy. So, and then I'm gonna twist down. And you make sure that your ends have everything. Like your ends is the oiliest part of your hair. So you have to take care of the ends. If you don't take care of the ends, your hair is not gonna grow. Well, your hair is still growing, but you're not going to see the length because your hair is breaking, right? Okay, the other three parts. This one, then I give a take care. Love it. And it's also a way of detangling the hair with fingers. Look at this, girl. And I'm a fussy, girl. Oh my god. So guys, I'm gonna put the link down. I'm going to write it down where I got the aloe vera gel, and it's just €5, and it's already finished. Like I said, you just use it directly. You don't have to do anything. Oh. Anyways, so this is how the hair looks like, and I'm going to put a shower cap in it or a plastic bag or anything you have, and then leave it in for 20 minutes. And yeah, okay, thanks for watching, and let me know what you guys want to know about me, my hair, and everything. Thank you for watching. Please like and please subscribe on my page. That would mean a lot to me. Thank you.